been a week since I broke my axle in my Mustang. It's the driver's side, third pass, if you didn't see the last video.
Really, man? You can kill a car.
You know what, my wife's car. Tried launching at 4,000 RPM to try at least get a 12.2, 12.0, if not 11.9, we'll see. I was launching at 4,000 RPM and it said, nope, we're not doing that today. So what we have here is I bought GT350 axles from Ford Performance. Not sure how they're gonna do. There's a part number for you. There's not a lot of testing on these from what I've seen. They're 400 bucks. Price point seems to be good. They seem to be a little bit stronger than the regular GTs. For price point, daily driver, they might be okay. We're gonna find out. But right now, we are in my garage, as you can see, and we're gonna have to push this thing up on some ramps and jack it up, take the tire off so we can get to it. I don't think it's supposed to do that. So just by glancing at it, looks like we'll probably have to take this caliper off. We'll take off those two bolts, we'll get it out of the way, and then we'll come over here and take off this top bolt out of the vertical link. Maybe both of them. We'll see if this thing will swing or not. And then your upper control arm here, we'll take this bolt out too, so we can just pry this thing back, hopefully, from the lower control arm, and we'll see if we can get this thing out. Oh, and of course, take your axle nut off. And yeah, let's get to it. broken. Just comparing, this is a stock GT and here's the GT350. They do appear to be just maybe a smidge, I don't know if they're thicker, but they don't have this little flange here, this little chamfer, so they're more of a solid piece. So when it comes to weight, they're definitely heavier, so it's a harder steel is what I'm guessing. Maybe it's definitely got some more weight to it. It's probably double the weight. See how easy I can just pick that guy up. This one's got some weight to it. We'll see how long they hold up. Why I didn't record it, but put it into the rear end and just kind of push it, and you'll feel it kind of like clunk into place. And once it's in there, just kind of pull on, tug on, and make sure that it ain't coming out, make sure that ring's locked in there, and that's about it. Here's the passenger side here. That's the original one. Here's the GT350. Again, with the weight, that one actually feels pretty sturdy. That one feels just a little bit heavier. Just a little bit.